Hello friends, welcome to Lifestyle Jog. This is your host Praveen. Today we are going to see a special unboxing video. We are going to unveil a product which will help you to have a comfortable and reliable ride on your NS200. As you all know, NS200 comes with a Fox clip-on handlebar which is less reliable and less comfort when compared to a full handlebar like you see in KTM and Duke and Dominar. I've been looking for such kind of handlebar conversion kit from very long time and I found it finally. There is a company in Pune called C2 Moto who has manufactured this handlebar conversion kit, which I am going to unbox it today. As you see, it comes in a good package which is nicely wrapped with plastic covers. I have seen a lot of people are replacing their Fox clip-on handlebars from their NS200 with a full handlebar of KTM Duke 250 or 200 or Dominar. But none of them are using a special conversion kits. Most of them are using their own DIY based conversion kits, which looks little ugly. Even though it suffices the purpose, it looks more uglier than the stock ones. If you open this box, up front you can see there are two spaces which are used in the KTM. These spaces are used for clearing the blockage when you use knuckle guards on your NS200. These are from KTM and these are all made from metal. And these spaces are not included in the usual package. This is something which I requested Mr. Chetan to provide me in the package, and it comes with a cost of 230 rupees per pair. Let us keep it aside. Now we have two templates. One for the right hand side and one for the left hand side. These templates basically tells you where to drill on your handlebar to fix the NS200 switches, because NS200 switches comes with a special locking mechanism which is different than the KTM ones. So here we are using the KTM Duke 200 handle. So we need these templates to let you know where to drill the hole for NS200 switches. So it's so nice of Mr. Chetan to providing these templates, so which can lead us to a perfect fitting handlebar. The next item will be thread lockers. This is a kind of a gel which will dry after some time. Normally people used to put these thread lockers onto the bolt thread surface, and they used to lock it with the bolt, and usually it helps us to avoid loosening of the bolts over a period of time. Here we go, we have a brochure. It's a Xerox copy of the actual brochure. I don't know why the actual brochure is not included in this package. I will give a feedback to C2 Moto, let them include it next time when somebody purchases. So here it goes. These are the two handlebar clips which we used to replace the stock handlebars, and we used to fix them in the same place where the stock handlebars used to be fitted. These are all made of CNC aluminum. That means one block of aluminum is taken at a time, and it is carved to this shape. There is no welding, no soldering, nothing like that. It's just one piece of metal block which is carved into this shape. So we have two more bolts which used to hold the lower bracket of the handlebar. Let us see what is that in this package. Okay, I believe it's a Allen keys. Yes, these are the Allen keys. It's good to see these Allen kits which is used to fit these handlebar conversion kits on our NS200 instead of looking for a new toolkit or instead of going towards a mechanic. I already have a toolkit with me which I brought from Flipkart from Black & Decker, so I don't need them. Maybe I can use it for a spare. That's it guys, these are the items in the package which I am framing them in a sequence. Moreover, if somebody are interested to buy this handlebar conversion kit from C2 Moto, you have to provide a promo code which I will provide for in the description below of this video, through which you can get some amount of discount. Maybe I think 5 to 10% discount you may get. I'm not sure. I will update those details in the description. Let us open these spaces and see how it looks like. This is one solid metal blocks. Again, I want to inform you again that these spaces will not be included in the current handlebar conversion kit package. These are included because of my request to Mr. Chetan. That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the video of fixing the handlebar conversion kit with the Duke 200 handle, and you can even I am even planning to put a knuckle guards on the full handlebar. So the video will be released soon. I am just waiting for the stocks of this lower bracket and upper bracket with the 4 bolts so that I can mount the Duke handlebar onto this conversion kit. Then I can enjoy my ride. So basically this handlebar, once you have a full handlebar, you have a lot of space to put your mobile holders of any kind, and you can put more switches if you want to have fog lamps or for your touring purposes. And even it reduces lot of vibrations, it gives lot of confidence and comfort when you do long rides in your NS200. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is the cinematic view you can get from that video. Bye bye. Thank you very much. See you again.